All right, so last time we left off with our simple interest calculators. Let's move on to compound interest. So let's make another tab down here. I'm going to rename this compound, compound interest. And now I'm going to go over here. I've already Googled compound interest formula. I'm going to take a snip here. That took a while. Great. Control C. Paste this in here. Sorry, that's a little big. Let's make that a little smaller. Whatever size you want is fine. So again, let's go into our known. Let's see. Principal, rate, number of compounds, and time. Time. And let's do calculator. Calculator. And A for final note. Alright, so let's just put in some example numbers here. Let's start with $100. Rate of 5%. Make sure to put that in decimal form. Let's do monthly. And let's do 3 years. Alright, so this, I'm going to hit the equal button. Click on our first name. Parenthesis. Now, watch the formula up here too. It's going to be 1 plus, and then another parenthesis, just like typing this in the calculator. Rate divided by n, close the parentheses. Caret, which is right above the 6, parenthesis, n times t, close parenthesis, and I wonder if we get an error message because we don't have a multiplication. Yep, let's go back. I'll click up here, edit my formula, multiplication symbol in, and wonderful. Now, one thing I don't like here is that this is not rounding, of course. Remember, this is money. It always needs to be rounded to the nearest penny. So we can come up here and hit the format as currency. And now you have money. You can also do that here. The other thing is, if you want to get fancy, you can also do that to the percent. So it will be displayed a little bit differently. So if I change this to 10%, it works down here too. So I don't know if you want to look at that as the decimal or as the percent, but you need to know. I prefer to keep it as a decimal. So now, whenever we change something like the amount of time, we can figure this out. Okay, the other thing I'm going to recommend is maybe putting another little chart over here and putting some of our vocabulary like yearly, semi-annually. Let's vocab. Let's call this N. Like that. Gold. Make this guy yellow. So yearly N equals 1. So annually 2. Quarterly 4 times a year. Monthly. It's 12 times a year. All this paychecks. Most of us get paid once every 2 weeks, which is 26 times a year. And weekly is 52. And you guys know daily happens 365 times a year. Now, remembering that, we can color code this to some fancy color and make this here just as a little reminder that, your end. So if you're not sure what the 12 is, you look over here and we have monthly. Okay. I'll format this a few other ways. Make it look a little better to your eye. I don't know if you think that makes it easier for you or not, but